Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to do a full face using one brand. Yes, I know it's crazy. It can be done full face using only one brand. And I chose a brand that I really like and use quite often, and that brand is the Wet n Wild Cosmetics. So for this tutorial I'm going to use only Wet n Wild products. I picked these up at Walmart yesterday, and yeah. So if you want to see how I do a full face glam, then just keep watching. Alright guys, to start out with, I am going to, and this isn't part of the video, but I'm going, well, it's part of the video, but it's not part of, you know, the one brand thing. So I picked this up. This is the Echo Lips Lip Scrub. This is Vanilla Bean. I picked this up. I'm going to exfoliate these lips. And I picked this up at Walmart. You know what? It tastes like vanilla. So if you get any in your mouth, it's okay. Alright, so the products that I'm going to be using for this full face of Wet n Wild products only, you guys already know. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Caramel. I'm going to be using the Photo Focus Matte Primer. I'm also going to be using this eyeshadow palette. When I seen this, this is what gave me the... a dog barking? This is what gave me the idea. This is the Lights Out palette by Wet n Wild, and these shades are super pretty. Let me show you. Look how pretty this shade right here is. That is so pretty. When I seen that, I was like, yes. I also use the Wet n Wild Precious Petals palette, but I did see this Mega Glow Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter. And I also picked up, I've never seen this before, I'm excited about this. This is the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade multi-dimensional mascara in Brazen Black. This right here is what it looks like. I didn't even know Wet n Wild made mascara. Learn something new every day. Got this Wet n Wild also liquid. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick, and yeah, this is in the shade, oh my gosh, it's like Laura Lee's palette. It's in the shade Nudie Patootie. Oh my goodness. Ew, what's wrong with that doe foot applicator? It don't smell like nothing. Why does that look green? Yes! You guys, yep. Look. Where'd he go? This one. Can you guys see that? How pretty? It is a straight nude color. I love it. Yes, Nudie Patootie. How cute. And then for the highlight and contour, I'm going to use, of course, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette to contour with, to set my under eyes and all this and that. And then I picked this up. This is a dual-ended contouring stick. And all these products were like literally under $6. I think the most expensive thing was maybe this at $6.93. But this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Dual-Ended Contour Stick. And this in the shade Medium Tan. So it looks like this. That's the tan side, obviously. I'm not sure how creamy. Ooh, I like. Yeah, Wet n Wild. Hey. And then this. I'm not sure about this here, but we're going to try everything. And that's the highlighter. So, I'm excited, guys. So we're going to jump right into this tutorial. I hope you're ready. And only thing I didn't get, you guys, is a brow product, but I can improvise. Hold on, I forgot about this product. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Finny Matte. Oh, I read the Spanish side. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. First, we're going to go in with the Photo Focus Face Primer. This is in, oh God, look. What happened? Why did that glob out? This video is going to be freaking hilarious already. Look at all this primer. It just like, well, we're going to be primed. Ooh. That's enough for my whole body. looks a lot. And you guys know Wet n Wild don't make lashes, so I'm just going to pop some falsies on at the end. Or I may just, I like this because it feels, it feels tacky, which in turn means that your makeup's going to stay on all day. I like that, yes. Toffee's way too deep, so we're just going to use caramel. Where's the white? Why is everything like just spewing out? It's like stuff is just spewing. I'm going to just draw some paint lines. My face is super matte from that primer. I'm going to take a beauty blender and we're just going to dab everything in. I'm going to try the one that I bought just to give it a fair shot. We're going to use it to prime my eyelids like I do all the time. That better not break out of there. I'm going to tell you something. I don't like whenever like stuff or makeup pulls at my skin. You know, if it's so dry and it's not like creamy and thick, you know what I'm saying? I don't like when that pulls because you're supposed to be really, really gentle around the eye area. So I really don't like when it pulls. So basically where you put it is where it's going to be. I don't know about using this for concealer, guys. I'm really skeptical. I think I'm going to, because I believe that's going to pull my under eyes. And honey, you see how when I do that, it pulls? It shouldn't pull my skin down. It's just not as creamy as I would like it to be. So, I'm going to use the old contouring stick, or the old concealer stick that I have. It's still from Walmart. It's just the shade You're a Natural. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to take my sponge and wet it. Okay, next I'm going to take the Mega Glow contour and highlighting palette, and I'm going to use the banana shade. I got that from Carly Bible. She always blows it out to get like in those smile lines. I'm going to take this Morphe, no it's not, this is the BH Cosmetics, this is the V11 brush. I'm going to take, ooh, not so rough. Now I'm just going to set the face. I so badly just almost reached, my 8th grade teacher would be so disappointed. I so badly wanted to reach for my Morphe bronzer palette. I'm going to go ahead and spray the face again.
Oh my goodness, yes, God, yes.
Okay, so first before I put that on, I'm going to take the liquid highlighter. Just dab it right there where it goes. And then we're going to take our beauty blender and just, we're going to take some and put on the other side. Just a little bit. Now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Precious Petals palette for a highlight to put over top of the liquid highlight. I'm going to take this palette again and just clean up underneath the contour. Alright guys, for blush, I couldn't find one, or I don't know. But I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette, and I'm going to go in this transition shade, which is a peachy color, and I'm going to use it for blush because most of the time I use peachy colors on the cheeks. So I'm just going to go right on the apples of the cheeks. So now I'm going to take, again, this is the Lights Out palette by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to take Probably these two shades right here and this gray shade. We're gonna have fallout. Oh, maybe not. Take that back and forth. Love it already. What do you guys think? Okay, first I'm going to pick up some of the shadow, spray the brush, and let's see another mirror. Oh yeah, I'm going to try to use my finger. Oh wow, that's pretty. Ooh. Now I'm going to take this shade right here. It says it's a crease shade. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to take a very small brush and I'm going to pop it in the crease. We're going in again, guys. That one was a little too dense. Alright guys, the eyes are done. I'm waiting on my lash glue to dry, and then while I wait on that to dry, I'm going to go ahead and pop this Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara on my lashes, and we're going to see how it works. This is the funky little one that it comes with, and it is bendable, I'm seeing. It's very like flexible. I'm going to poke my eyelash out, my eyeball out. But I guess it did what it's supposed to do. And I did go ahead and do this eyebrow off camera, but I'm going to go ahead and do this one and show you that you can do it with affordable products. So what I used here, I'm going to use here, and it's the same eyeshadow palette. All I did was use this grayish, brownish transition shade, and I used it on my brows, or on this brow, and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to show you how I did that. Just going to take a flat angled brow brush and just dab in there, and we're just going to fill it in. That brow really looks good though. Let's just show that you don't have to go out and spend thousands of dollars to get a red carpet look, because let's be real, this is red carpet-ish. And there it is, y'all. Y'all! Bet you can tell where I'm from, can't you? I'm going to take this small, teeny, weeny, beany brush, and I'm going to take the concealer, and we're just going to clean up a little bit. I am going to make a mess real quick. I look like a scary kitty cat, like meow, 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 Did not mean to do that. I couldn't have staged that if I wanted to. Let's just be real. It really makes me look washed out. Alright, but I'm about to change the color of these lips, but let me set it. We're all set. Yes, I really, really, really want to put another color on my lips. Oh, wait. I think I have another Wet n Wild one. Hold on. God, I did have another Wet n Wild one. Yay. This one's called Rebel Rose. So we're going to take some Rebel Rose and we're going to see if we can't do a little something here to make it, give me a little color back. I don't like the vibe I'm getting. I do like that much, much better. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was difficult to look at myself like I had no lips, but I just picked the wrong shade. We do that all the time. It is a beautiful color though, and yeah, this is the first time that I ever did a full face one brand tutorial, and like I said, all these products were at Walmart for under $5. I think the most expensive one, the only one that was a little over $5 was I want to say the contour stick, and it was like something that I bought, maybe it was the mascara, something that I bought was $6.93. But anyways, you guys, you can get a full glam red carpet look using affordable products. You do not have to spend hundreds of dollars at Sephora or Ulta or on different brands, Marc Jacobs, Dior, or anything. You can get an affordable look using affordable products. Everybody's balling on a budget. So anyways, remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And until next time, stay beautiful.